Hey there, welcome back. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Himalayan pink salt. You've seen it on your spice rack. Himalayan pink salt, also known as pink rock salt, is a type of salt that's mined from the Punjab region of Pakistan, near the Himalayan mountains. But do you know why it's a game changer for your health? Himalayan pink salt is a mineral powerhouse. Packed with over 84 trace minerals, it's a more natural and healthy alternative to regular table salt. It helps your body stay hydrated and maintain the right fluid balance, perfect for athletes and active folks. For respiratory health, it can be used in inhalation therapy, and it also works wonders for your skin, treating conditions like acne and eczema. Himalayan pink salt stimulates digestion and supports detoxification, creating a healthier pH balance in your body. Some people find that switching from regular table salt to Himalayan pink salt results in lower blood pressure levels. Its lower sodium content and higher mineral content may have a positive impact on hypertension. This salt can also aid in blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that it may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. So there you have it, the incredible benefits of Himalayan pink salt. Just remember, moderation is key. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.